Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and for today's video we're going to our farm. So guys, come and join me! So guys, after 1 hour of waiting to my cousin is finally here. Ay nako. Well anyway, I don't need to complain. He's just gonna act fun at me. So we're now going to there you go.
Galing natin din. Yan na yan. Nakapamitas ka na sa iyo. Titignan lang na yan.
Oo. Pwede din naman doon. Pero it did rain yesterday, but now it's so sunny and I'm hoping that it's not so muddy today. Maybe just a little bit. Since it's not... Hi! Okay, so we're now going to the farm. Good luck to me. You know what? I'm so lucky. There is a welcoming fruits when I arrive. Look, can you believe that? So big. Okay, pahingi po. Put it in my bag. Oh my god, someone is there. Someone is peeing on the trees. So guys, okay, it's super duper jungle. There's a lot of grass that needs to be removed, or else my coconut will gonna die. So this is okay. This needs too much attention. Oh my gosh, it's not like this before. Now it's hard to see. Alright. Oh my. Okay, there's a banana here. There. Oh my G. Oh my G. Okay, so now I believe I need to hire someone to clean this mess. So there's new baby. Okay. Namatay? May baby coconut.
O, ano nga hanapin mo dito? Hinog.
Oh.
Sabi sa iyo eh. Ganyan pa lang po ngayon.
So this is the lanzones that we have here. Look. Oh, it's so sad. Hindi pa, paano ako na nga ngayong buwan. Ngayong week.
Buwan mo siya oh.
What's this? What are you? Tabi po. So, guys. Oh my gosh. You know the problem here? Oh, butterfly.
May tumagaw.
So guys, as you can see here, there is some thief here in our farm. So they cut it, and then when they find out that it's not yet okay, they just leave it here. Too bad. Gosh, where is Waita? I think I'm lost. Sure. So, look at the grasses. Where are you, Waita? Are you gonna pick up? Boo! I think he's hiding somewhere. Kailangan mahawan ko muna to. Yeah. 1, 2. Straight here. 3. Hi, Waita. So, we're now living here in this area. I don't know if I still want to visit the other place because it's kind of getting hot. I will decide at the tricycle. Oh my. Now moving. Look how jungle it is right now. It's a jungle, of course. Guys, we're going to visit other people garden. We're not gonna get, promise. We're just gonna look at it. I'm just kind of curious how it looks like. Oh,
Oh, bottom.
wow. Sile. Cheese. Ooh, nice. It feels like I wanna copy this. Copycat. Lawak, no? Pero kailangan tabas. Oo nga, kaya nga eh. Parang gusto ko kasing gayahin. Charot. So, I am done for now. So, we're leaving now. We're going back home.
And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It will help my channel grow. See you next time.